acknowledge the following. Director, Department of Foreign Affairs, welcome face in Caraga. Director Minda Bulatao, we have our returnee to Caraga. And of course, a veteran now, Housing and Land Use Regulatory Board.
On the tarpaulin na posted at the right part of the white balls.
We will repeat that signing.
And the private sector. And even all the stakeholders of Caraga.
20 years from now.
I-display natin dito sa lobby pagka natapos ang video.
Pag maiksi ang...
Coffee, by the way, is available. So it's overflowing, so you can come and make one for yourself anytime. And the very dynamic chairperson of the Caraga Regional Development Council, Normal Sol and Lucas Organization.
The long 18 years of dreaming, today Caraga RDC has finally made the dream a reality. More importantly, RDC can now provide a venue for showcasing the best of what this region can offer. We are deeply grateful for you and humbled by the generous support we have received from the many people who helped make this project a reality. On top of them, I wish to thank Mayor, express our sincerest gratitude to Mayor June Amante and Vice Mayor Lo Fortun for facilitating the donation of a 1,000 square meter lot to RDC in a very prime location. It takes a big heart to give up a property gratis to a bigger cause that would give meaning and significance to our battle cry for a strong One Caraga family. I told the mayor about this. I said, you know, we've been dreaming for 18 years. I was part of the early beginnings of Caraga. And during those times, in 1995, we were trying to look for areas where we can build a home. And truly the first one to construct was DSWD, kasi mabilis yung director. The first one to get a lot from the governor, Governor Amante, the lady governor, and I was the second one, and we were the first two agencies who immediately built our homes in 1995. Sabi ko nga kay Minda, you're so lucky, you have a very beautiful office in that part, in the prime area of the city. We feel blessed and inspired by others' contributions, equally important to this project. We should also acknowledge the kindness of our DBM Secretary, Secretary Abad, who never wavered to release the amount of 50 million. We have now decided and we can start the work. With that amount, I'm sure and I'm confident that RDC building will soon rise without delay, as this will be the most beautiful structure in this progressive city of Butuan. The blessing of RDC. Salamat. 1 million each. Ready na yung ano nila, resolution. But we will learn na mayroon palang 50 million.
Years now to finally have somebody with a big heart to let go of such a prime property. We can very well remember during the groundbreaking ceremony,
Governor Sol Matugas, Mamsita, members of the Executive Committee of the Caraga 13 Regional Development Council, colleagues, friends, Madyaw Kahinaan. I have said it before, and I have said it again, give until it hurts, but this time I'm no longer hurt because I know that in that spot will rise a 5-level Regional Development Council NEDA building. I think it's going to be one of the most beautiful edifices in our city and in our region. Mauna po ko kumaingon nga ako yun. I'm just an instrument. That lot really belongs to the city of Butuan and all of us. So I'm just an instrument. Pag vessel na ka, di ka wala may nambog, no? Anyway, this is for all of us. Beside the RDC building is the source of our funds, the Bureau of Treasury. So there's no way but up. But we're looking forward to a fast-growing Caraga region. No? So that's something we can look forward to. Thank you very much, Governor Sol. I think, kota na ka siguro, go. You have done so much for Caraga region. And I think you deserve another term. And RDC chair.
Yeah.
So thank you very much. Mabuhay kitang tanan.
thank you, Mr. Executives. Okay, so now we have come to the